Copy that. Base to burn commit again.
Go ahead, Brad. My radio might die, but go ahead.
Red car, the red car, the red car.
Tables to Leveron.
Well, they want us to go back and do a loop and pick up the rest.
Are you going to have everybody respond right down to here at Huntington and Ring?
Let me know as you move forward if there's anybody left.
I'm tagging on to Washington, South 1.
All right, we'll give them the protocols again.
Attended. The K9 dogs can check them out if it's suspicious package. The officers isolate that area, 300 feet back behind cover. Everybody, including the officers, if they find something suspicious.
Bravo 9-4. Alright, once again, if I have an EOD unit, we still have this vehicle, we need deployment. Douglas Park and Tremont, fire's down there looking for us.
Anyway, we can have a supervisor respond to the Copley Mall. We have a witness here that said his son saw people run into a building. He has video footage.
Where in the mall are you, ma'am?
It's camera footage, pictures, the Copley Mall.
Alright. Are you right in the office there, ma'am?
We're right by the bridge where the Copley and the Prudential intersect.
Yeah. Mike Delta 909, I'm right outside. I can take a walk in.
Right.
Delta Charlie 1.
The Charlie 1.
Yeah, that message I just gave you, could you put that out to all channels around the city about the unattended bags and the suspicious items? Try to do. And we'll just have K9 from here. We got 4 units ready to go.
Okay, we'll put it out citywide.
8522.
Go ahead, ma'am.
We're told by this man that his son has medical issues and he cannot locate his son, and his son is sending him these pictures.
Okay, there's a supervisor on the way to you.
Mike 862 here.
Mike, you want to call in?
Sir, just reported right now by one of the marathon runners about a suspicious male that tried to enter the front 5 minutes prior to this event. If you want the information, I'll give it out.
All right, this is 5 minutes before this started, and where did he go in?
It was 5 minutes prior to the event taking place. Is a black male, black hoodie with a backpack, black in color, was denied access by security. Immediately disconnected eye contact, pulled up his hoodie and walked away. 5 minutes later, the event happened. That's all the information I have other than the witness reporting.
Where did they last see him?
5 minutes after the event at the Boylston Fairmont.
All right, Boylston, Fairmont, black male, black hoodie, black backpack, was denied access, and then he left.
Seven and 8, school bus 1, 7 and 8.
Standing by. You could start there and stand by for. I'll check you off here and let them know that you're on board.
Go on to Lieutenant Devlin for UCC. Go ahead. Do you have a number? I have Rhode Island State Police on the line. They're going to be doing some blood transports up to Massachusetts. Do you have a number that you coordinate that with them?
508-820-2605. 820-2605.
We dispatched motorcycles up there to escort it in.
Okay, where do you want them to pick them up? Maybe the Western Barracks with the off-ramp there?
Affirmative, we'll call it there right now, Western Barracks. How about it?
All right, Major, final destination again, please.
It's going to be at Blagden and Huntington, right over in front of the building here. There's a street called Blagden, small street right up by the ramp on the pike.
Tell on the Penske truck, will you call us up here at 5461?
That Major, Vice Super Sergeant and Clement en route.
Final limit, correction, Lawrence. Change 20, change 20.
Everett update from Central.
Can you find out?
I have nothing further. Radio's a little congested. I can't get any further information on that Penske truck. I would suggest any you see that are stopped and the occupants are FIO'd to choose caution. Receive, ma'am. Thank you.
I'm on 12. I go all the way up 16. Going back up.
You got a bus heading back up Palm Ave right now, heading towards BC.
Lawrence Road, 1659-1659.
Pass at Huntington. No traffic coming up Mass Ave.
Mike Alpha 6. We have no traffic inbound into on Huntington Ave. We don't have any traffic coming up Mass to Boylston. Everything is being diverted up Huntington towards Northeastern from Mass and towards the expressway from on Mass.
It's 212-975-7025. Do you copy?
975-7025.
Unknown at this time, UCC to Lieutenant Horgan or anybody can confirm if ground zero is clear at this time.
2H to UCC, I'm walking down there now. Once here, if you just stand by, Lieutenant, I'll take a look.
All right, I have 5 available, but I have about 15 stuck there. Let me know, please.
Okay, are they by the finish line? That same.
Right in front of the Mandarin, right at the original blast site.
UCC code 30 to ID 2725, code 30 status. UCC to MSP.
Station H, UCC.
UCC.
Man, that's coming back to Trooper Crook. Trooper Crook out of D3, cruiser 654.
Receive that, sir. Thank you. UCC to Trooper Crook, 654, code 30 status, please.
See on the stop team. That's affirmative. We'll work on that right now. Track him down. Thank you.
McDonald's office Crook, he's all set. Reset it.
Receive that direct. Trooper Crook is all set. Please reset. H, did you copy that direct? G, did you copy that direct?
H received.
Direct, ma'am.
We're going to be able to move. That's why because I can always go live from here if need be. That's why I'm not moving.
It sounds it. Thank you.
Great. Friday, were you looking for me? Confirm. We have Newton had a suspicious package up the street. They looked at it. It's all set. okay? So the first one was they had one, second one is all set. We are still keeping Carmel closed, people being treated in St. Ignatius. When we get them all treated, we're going to start a route with Boston Police to the Commons, okay? They're going to send some of their MOP units up. For your information, we have people from BAA here. They're taking their chips off their pennants. So we have names of everybody that we have up here, and they're going to try to get on a website if people are looking for their people.
Okay, thank you. Great idea. Thank you.
And that'll do it. Jim Assetta, you on?
Go ahead, Brad.
Give me an estimate of the number of runners at War Memorial Auditorium, please.
Yeah, 10-4, I can run in there. Dan's right here. Dan's right at the door.
Yeah, I'm gonna walk in right now. I'll give you.
But they're asking for a carrier access code, or there are restrictions on this line.
Otis, what's your current location?
We're making our way back to you on Boylston.
Okay, when you do that, come and see me at Boylston Ring.
I have that, sir. On the way.
And bring your partner with you.
10-4.
John Boylston.
Anybody got a cell phone that's working?
We're starting to get some more service back. Chris has got him on the horn.
Roger that. We didn't pay for a long distance.
Got an IFC through the cell phone.
In the truck. What do I have them to dial from New York?
I have no idea.
Victor 831, I've got 3 canines with me right at Gloucester. What's that spot?
Yeah, left side alley, 14 Gloucester as you face the building. They're eyeballing 2 clear plastic drums, unknown contents.
Whoever dog in MSQ with you, we'll take a walk down there.
Come get prisoner.
Yep.
Another car phone.
Charlie 2.
Yankee C2.
Do I have any update on the JFK situation?
Get you one, Chief. Victor Alpha 7 on the air.
Lawrence, green button, please.
You get a 4-man team ready to go to the State House.
I have 4 SWAT team members here. We're supposed to link up with DOD when they need us. That's what my instructions were.
Yeah, firm. I got to get a EOD team over there. Are they at the State House now?
Unknown, sir. We are still at the Green Street staging area, the 4 of us.